this video I'm gonna show you how to restart all of the sound settings on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the home button. It's the red button right here located on our pilot. And now in order to navigate this menu, you'll need to press the arrow keys, which are located right here. So now let's move to the settings, and from here go to the right and find system. Press on it and then go to the left to find the sound. Now move all the way down and select the advanced settings. Press OK and then move down again. Press reset in order to restart all of the settings of the sound to the default ones. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.